Aging gracefully doesn't mean slowing down, it means moving smarter. For many seniors, walking is a beloved way to stay active, but when pain, fatigue, or balance issues appear, walking may no longer feel safe or comfortable. That doesn't mean your active days are over. In fact, doctors and therapists agree, gentle, low-impact alternatives can keep your body strong, your heart healthy, and your mind peaceful. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, there are plenty of enjoyable, doctor-approved ways to move your body and protect your joints. Let's explore 8 healthy, practical alternatives to walking that can help you stay fit, confident, and happy at any age. 1. Water aerobics. Pool exercises. A movement without pain. At my diaresis sedilla. Water is nature's best medicine for aging joints. Exercising in a pool provides resistance for strength training, while the buoyancy of water supports your weight, reducing impact on your knees, hips, and spine. Why it works. According to physical therapists, water exercise improves cardiovascular endurance, muscle tone, and flexibility without the pounding stress of land-based workouts. The water cushions every movement, meaning even those with arthritis or joint replacements can participate comfortably. Examples of pool exercises: aqua jogging or slow walking through waist-deep water, gentle leg lifts or side steps, floating arm exercises with water dumbbells, stretching routines supported by pool walls. Health benefits: water resistance engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, boosting circulation and promoting better heart health. The cool water also soothes inflammation, while hydrostatic pressure helps with swelling in the legs. Expert insight: Dr. Karen Lytle, a geriatric physiotherapist, explains, water aerobics gives seniors the freedom to move with confidence. It's one of the few exercises that's both therapeutic and fun. If your local gym or community center offers senior pool classes, join one. You'll get fit and enjoy social connection at the same time. 2. Chair yoga. A flexibility and calm in every movement. Superscript A'. Section. Chair yoga is perfect for seniors who find traditional yoga too demanding. You don't need to bend deeply, kneel, or balance on one leg. Everything happens from the comfort and safety of a chair. Why it's powerful. Chair yoga gently stretches your muscles, lubricates stiff joints, and teaches deep breathing, all essential for maintaining mobility and reducing stress. It's particularly beneficial for people with arthritis, osteoporosis, or limited movement. Popular chair yoga moves: seated mountain pose, for posture awareness; gentle spinal twists, to ease back tension; arm and shoulder stretches; seated leg extensions for lower body strength. Health benefits: regular chair yoga enhances blood flow, reduces stiffness, and improves mental clarity. Studies show that just 20 minutes a day can improve flexibility and reduce chronic pain. Therapists view chair yoga keeps seniors in control of their bodies while fostering mental calmness, says yoga therapist Neena Patel. It's exercise, meditation, and self-care rolled into one. Start small, 5 minutes in the morning and gradually extend your sessions. Over time, you'll notice easier movement, deeper breathing, and better balance. 3. Tai Chi. The art of graceful balance. Sedilla. Tai Chi, often called meditation in motion, is one of the most recommended exercises for older adults. It combines slow, flowing movements with deep breathing and concentration. Why Tai Chi is ideal for seniors: it strengthens the body while soothing the mind. Unlike brisk walking, Tai Chi puts minimal stress on joints and helps improve posture, stability, and coordination. Typical Tai Chi benefits: reduces the risk of falls by improving balance, boosts flexibility and body awareness, lowers blood pressure and enhances focus, decreases anxiety and promotes better sleep. Science behind it. A study published in the Journal of Aging Research found that seniors practicing Tai Chi 3 times a week experienced fewer falls and reported greater confidence in daily activities. Doctors note, Tai Chi keeps the body moving, but the mind still, says Dr. Juan Liu, a geriatric rehabilitation expert. It's physical therapy disguised as serenity. Try following a guided video or join a local senior Tai Chi class. The slow, Rhythmic movements are safe and uplifting at any age. 4. Resistance band training. A small tools, big strength. Superscript A. You don't need heavy weights to stay strong. Resistance bands are lightweight, affordable, and excellent for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Why resistance training matters. After 60, adults lose muscle faster, a process called sarcopenia. Weak muscles can lead to balance problems and fatigue. Using resistance bands safely builds strength, improves coordination, and keeps your bones strong. Simple resistance band moves: seated bicep curls, leg presses with a band around the feet, lateral arm raises, seated rows for posture correction. Expert insight: bands create consistent resistance through the entire movement, explains physical therapist Jordan Cruz. That means safer, smoother muscle activation without strain. Safety tips: start with light tension bands and gradually increase resistance. Anchor bands securely before use. Perform each movement slowly and breathe steadily. Resistance band exercises can be done sitting or standing, at home or in therapy sessions. 10 minutes daily is enough to maintain real strength. 5. Stationary cycling. A gentle cardio without the strain. At my diaresis sedilla. For seniors who can't walk long distances due to joint pain, cycling, especially on a stationary bike, is a perfect alternative. It provides cardiovascular exercise with very low impact on the knees and ankles. Why it's so effective. Cycling mimics the leg movement of walking but without the body weight impact. It builds endurance, tones leg muscles, and keeps your heart strong. Best part: you can cycle indoors while watching TV, listening to music, or chatting with family, making it both easy and enjoyable. Therapist's tip: adjust the seat height so your knees bend comfortably, and start with short 5–10 minute sessions before progressing. Added benefits: improves circulation and joint mobility, enhances mood and reduces depression symptoms, burns calories while staying seated and safe. Dr. Amanda Rhodes, a senior fitness specialist, notes, stationary cycling helps older adults maintain heart health without worrying about falls or outdoor hazards. It's one of the safest cardio options, whether you prefer a recumbent bike, with back support, or an upright version. Cycling keeps you active year-round, rain or shine. 6. Gentle dancing. The joy of movement. Dancing isn't just fun, it's therapeutic. Whether you sway to soft music in your living room or join a social dance class, movement to music brings body and soul together beautifully. Why it's good for seniors. Dancing enhances coordination, balance, and rhythm. It also improves brain health by requiring timing, memory, and body control. The emotional boost from music can reduce loneliness and anxiety. Safe ways to dance: line dancing or ballroom dancing with a partner, seated or slow movement dancing for those with mobility issues, light aerobic dance routines for energy and balance. Research proven benefits. A study from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that seniors who danced regularly had better memory and motor control than those who only walked. Expert tip: dance doesn't feel like exercise, but it provides all its benefits, says movement therapist Hella Morgan. It keeps your heart happy and your mind young. Don't worry about perfect steps, just move to music you love. Even 10 minutes a day of gentle dancing can improve your health and lift your spirit. 7. Stretching. Range of motion exercises. The secret to longevity. Section 8 My diaresis sedilla. Stretching may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to preserve flexibility and mobility as you age. Why stretching matters. Over time, muscles shorten and joints stiffen. Stretching keeps tissues elastic and prevents injury. Doctors say maintaining range of motion is key to independence in older age. Effective stretches for seniors. Neck and shoulder rolls for tension relief. Seated hamstring stretch to ease back pain. Gentle torso twists for spinal health. Ankle circles for better circulation. Therapist's advice: stretch daily, especially after waking up or before bedtime. Move slowly and breathe deeply. Avoid bouncing. Even 10 minutes can make a noticeable difference in your flexibility and posture. Bonus tip: Combine stretching with mindful breathing to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. It's not just physical, it's mental therapy too. Life expert quote, "Stretching is the bridge between stillness and movement. It reminds your body it's still capable of grace. This practice keeps you nimble, balanced, and pain-free, even as the years go by." 8. Gardening light yard work. A nature's gentle workout. Gardening might not look like exercisey, but your muscles think otherwise. Every time you dig, plant, or water, you're improving flexibility, balance, and endurance. Why gardening is perfect for seniors. It combines light physical activity with fresh air, sunlight, and relaxation. The bending, lifting, and reaching motions gently strengthen core and leg muscles. Health and emotional benefits. Reduces stress and boosts mood. Increases vitamin D exposure for bone health. Enhances hand strength and coordination. Promotes mindfulness and a sense of purpose. Doctor's perspective. Gardening offers both mental peace and physical conditioning, says Dr. Samuel Ortiz, a geriatric wellness expert. It's one of the most natural and rewarding forms of exercise. Safety tips for senior gardeners. Use raised garden beds or vertical planters to avoid bending too far. Take frequent breaks and hydrate. Use lighter-weight tools and knee supports. Tending to plants teaches patience, rewards effort, and nurtures the soul, a perfect metaphor for aging itself. A final life advice. A movement is the fountain of youth. Growing older doesn't mean stopping, it means adapting. Each of these alternatives to walking proves that movement can be joyful, safe, and healing at any age. Whether you're floating in a pool, stretching in your chair, or tending your garden, every gentle action adds years of strength and serenity to your life. Life experts remind us, the key to longevity isn't how fast you move, it's how consistently you keep moving. So move with kindness toward your body. Listen to your limits, celebrate your progress, and stay connected to your community. The goal isn't perfection, it's participation. Because at 60, 70, or 80, the best exercise is the one that keeps you smiling, breathing, and living fully. A currency I diaresis sedilla.